everyone. In this video I am going to make one announcement. The announcement is that our co-op is now going to work to earn badges. So we got this idea from this co-op. So to earn helicopter and tiger badges, first of all we need players. So we have this 27, 20, 29, 30. We have 4 places left. So any 4 players can join, but the players must be active, and the co-op type is closed for now, but I will ask to do it for by request. So all players must be participating for that. No one will be an option out in during regatta. So for that we have to do only helicopter task and zoo task. Only helicopter and zoo task. No, nothing else. And the zoo task can be of any number. It can be number of 75, 45 something. No, it can be number maximum number is 95. So after that helipad filling orders can be also there. So we have to do only helicopter and zoo task to earn helicopter and tiger badges. So we have to not option out during regatta, means you need to participate. Participation is compulsory. And second thing is that any points task, but you have to, while we are on that mission, you have to not do any of these tasks. You have to do only zoo task and helicopter task. So because of that we will earn badges now like the diamond, and we will also get the free. So for that we are on that mission, and we need players. All players must be participating. No one can. Yes. Okay, so here now everyone is doing tasks. Wait, I will give an example. At least no one is now on helicopter. Yes. So these helicopters task we have to do, which can be of any points, and also zoo task which can be of any points. So now this is the second week of the race. Now in 2 weeks we will try to earn that badges. So my all tasks are done for now, and our co-op position is very low. Don't know why. It's just like other team are aliens. They have very high level players. So they have very high level players. So they have bonus point for that. So other thing is we no reservations. Any task reservation is not allowed. And if any other task comes, such as now here and here, 1 helipad and 2 zoo orders are there. So and if all the tasks are there, so you have to dump all, and you have to keep only these 3 tasks, which are zoo and helipad. So this is only we have to do for this regatta. And everyone, it's not compulsory that you need to complete full tasks. You means you can do how much you can. So it will help a lot. So and See here, it's written 7R, 7 heli, 3 zoo. So means 7 heli means this player can do 7 helipad orders and 3 zoo. So like that, just write beside your town name, and you must be little active for that. No task reservations. Any task should not be reserved. Reservation should be off, and no one should dump zoo or helipad order task except all. So hope this video helps you to understand. I will also write and pin the comment for your most information. And first of all, thank you to this thank you for this co-op for a very excellent idea. This is my friend. I know her, she knows me. So because of her, I got the idea. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.